Follow along with me today to make DIY body butter for flawless, beautiful, smooth skin. Firstly, we will add 1 cup of shea butter to the bowl. Now, if the temperature of your room is a little bit cooler, the shea butter will be a little bit more difficult to scoop out of the cup. If that's the situation, just use your hands. Next, you will put the bowl in the microwave to heat it up in 30-second increments. After, keep stirring after each 30 seconds until it's all melted. When it's melted, you will know because it'll be transparent. Next, you will add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. After, you will add 1 teaspoon of alcohol-free vanilla extract to the mixture. Add 1/4 teaspoon sweet almond oil. Stir the mixture well. After, use an electric mixer to blend it well. After, you will chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until it's solidified. It will look like this when it's solidified, and then you will want to whip it up with the electric mixer. So it will look like mashed potatoes when it's ready, and then you will store it in a clean jar. After, store it in a cool room to make sure it doesn't melt. Or if it does melt, put it in the refrigerator.